Okay. Let's see, this one would be nice to me today. One of these keypins has a torpedo outer. I forget which one. Might have been that one. Which means it's stuck. Awesome. That's cool. This is my first multi-lock open. I feel a lot better about myself now. Saw my video yesterday. I'd use one of those rye keys to figure out how to do dimples, or at least multi-lock dimples. So that's fun. Let's get this one apart so we can take a look at it. Alright, so first thing we'll do is, come on. No, it still works. And I'm pretty sure, where's my pliers at? Pretty sure can I get this Bible cover off? I think so. Things will go a lot smoother if I can, get this off. There it goes. Watch these springs, y'all. They like to go everywhere. Alright, so there's some springs. Let's focus the camera. 2, 3, 4, 5. Alright. There's all my pins in there. So let's get these out. last one. There we go. All right, so let's take a look at our drivers here. So we got one standard outer, 4 spooled outers, and every single one of the inners has that little bit of lip on it. If we look at the key pins, it's going to have match milling there. So this would have been an old school brown belt, but got the same line down to purple because showing that milling is really hard. So let me just get these situated. Let me get this out of here. Now this does have some passive pins in it, so I'm going to try to not explode everything here. There we go. Where's the follower? Right here. Alright. So there's my passive pins right there. I can dump those out real quick. Come on. So I'll just pull the key. There we go. See, there's the guts for the passives. Come on. Oh well. Alright, so there's my torpedo. Come on. Come on, get out of there. That's right, we can grab it by that milling. Right there. Come on. Get out of there. Sorry for the earthquake, folks. Trying very hard not to just explode pins all over the place. Alright, one of the cool things I want to show you guys is let's pull that out, and if you look, you can see some milling there in the Bible. That does indeed catch these spools. I have another video that shows that off. Let's take a look at the plug here. So I have another one that has some over milling right here on number 2. Tried getting that open earlier today and I couldn't, but this one was just fine. And you can see that little groove right there. That was giving me so much grief because this little guy would get hung up in it, just like that. Now I'm pretty sure all of these, yep, that one has it. That's 2. Yep, that one has 2. That's 3. 4. Pretty sure this torpedo does not have the milling. Let's take a look. Correct. The torpedo does not have the milling. So 4 overmilled outers with matched lips on the inner drivers. I got some countermilling in the Bible. I really didn't. That was intimidating because I had some challenges trying to figure out these locks, and it was intimidating at first, but I really don't think it affected the pick. The only thing that gave me grief was the inners and that milling. Then through some work I was able to get it figured out. There's the pin stack. Thanks for watching, y'all.